Hello everybody, this is how we do filter in the Google Sheet. We have this table with A, B, C, D, E column and the rows which goes down up to this 199. Here it's a requisition. The fundamental formula for filtering is you can press equal and then filter. Suppose that we can filter many things. Number one, we can say let us return this table but only where the rows here in B, these values are 0 only. Then what we do, first we select this, we want to return the whole table. Then I will remove this 2 to ensure that the whole is selected. Then this is to say return, it's the range I'm filtering. Then I set the condition. The condition is going to be set based on the column. Here on column B, I will say where B2 up to B, to mean the whole column of B equals 0. And then close the bracket. After closing the bracket and press enter, you will see that now the data are becoming down because of where I placed depending on the cells where I placed, but I can come here and put it here, filter, then I select the whole range, the range I want, then remove this 2, and then the condition is that the values in column B must equal to 0. Then I will press enter to return the whole column. So you can see that this column where values are 0, the whole rows will come. Or you can say, for example, let us now filter. We want where the quantity to be requested is below 100. It is again from this, you can type A2, the whole range of the table up to E, to mean I have selected all of this, and the condition is the E2 up to E, to mean this column E, the values in E must be greater than 100. I will return the values where the quantity to be requested is greater than 100. When I press enter, automatically the values will come. The table will come, and what is important is you can rename this table, because you can come and copy here, for example, and come and paste it here like this. If I am going to request the quantities where the quantities is above 100, you can see if I scroll down that you will see that every value is above 100, as the function I used was saying. Every value is above 100. So another thing I want to show is when you want, for example, to copy this and paste and make maybe individual document, you come and select and copy, and then you go here and click add new sheet. But because there is a function in the data, you do right click. The way you paste is special, is not the usual Ctrl V. You go here to paste a special and go to values only. When you don't do this, it doesn't work. For example, if I come and I do paste like this, it is not going to work. But when I go back and come, because I have copied the information which contain a function, I come always to this paste special. After going to paste special, I come to values only and click values, and boom, this is done. So guys, this is one of the fundamental formula for filtering when you are returning the table based on a single column. And thank you for watching this video, and in next video we are going to see the advanced filtering, where we can have more than 3 tables and look the criteria to base on, and then filter what you want. So see you guys on the next video, and remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like and comment. Thank you.